And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina today jointly unveiled Unit 1 of Maitree Super Thermal Power Project following bilateral and delegation-level talks in Delhi. The project is being constructed under India's concessional financing scheme. It will add 1,320 megawatt to Bangladesh's national grid. Issues related to connectivity, energy, water resources, trade, investment, border management and security, development partnership and regional and multilateral matters were on the agenda of the talks. 7 agreements, including on water resources, railway, science and technology, space technology, were exchanged following the talks. An important agreement on water sharing from the Kushiara River has also been signed. This will benefit southern Assam in India and Sylhet region in Bangladesh. An MOU between Prasar Bharati and Bangladesh Television on cooperation in the field of broadcasting was also signed.
भारत बांग्लादेश के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाकर चलता रहेगा। आज हमारी बातचीत इस मूल प्रतिबद्धता को दोहराने का भी एक उत्तम अवसर रही। एक बार फिर प्रधानमंत्री शेख हसीना जी और उनके डेलीगेशन का मैं भारत में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं और भारत में उनके सुखद प्रवास की कामना करता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।